Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all fit and fine at home. Students, today we will start our seventh chapter, that is Many States, One Country. So, students, open your book, ready for listening and reading the chapter, which is Many States, One Country. Now, students, I am on page number 17. Here, Political India. Map is here. Observe the world map and answer the given questions. 7.1 map is this. Okay. Now first question. Name the coldest continent in the world. Which is a question? Name the coldest continent in the world. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. Now second question here. Name the continent that India belongs to. Name the continent that India belongs to. So students, Asia is right answer. Okay. Now third question here. Name the continent that is also a country. Name the continent that is also a country, which is Australia. So student, 7.1 pap is this. First question, name the coldest continent in the world, that is Antarctica. Name the continent that India belongs to, Asia. Name the continent that is also a country, Australia. Okay student, our chapter is Many States, One Country. And now student, continue the chapter. Here, India is the seventh largest country area wise. Okay, India is a peninsula. This means it is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side. Why we call it peninsula? Peninsula क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि इसके थ्री साइड में वाटर है, तो जिनके थ्री साइड में वाटर होता है उन्हें पेनिसुला कहा जाता है. So this mean it is surrounded by water on three side and land on one side. Clear students? Now move on next page. Okay. Now students, the upper part of India is surrounded by land. Where we are? The upper part of India. Upper part is which? This is our political map. This north, south, east and west. This is upper part. Upper part of India is surrounded by land. Some of the countries bordering India are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Some of the country border India. कुछ देश हैं जो इंडिया के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है, जिन्हें हम नेबर कंट्रीज भी कहते हैं, जैसे पाकिस्तान, चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are our neighbor countries. The lower part of India is surrounded by, which is the lower part? It is the upper part. Upper part of our country surrounded by neighbor countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Now here the lower part of, which is the lower part? Lower part is the bottom side, is the southern side. The lower part of India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. Here Bay of Bengal. To the east, Arabian Sea. To the west, and the Indian Ocean to the south. Sri Lanka is another neighboring country that lies. Where is Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka is here. Sri Lanka is another neighboring country that lies to the south of India in the Indian Oceans. So student, this time we study about the many state, one country. But starting we started about the neighboring countries and peninsula, because India is surrounded by three sides of water, that we call it peninsula, and the lower part of India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal to the east and Arabian Sea to the west and the Indian Ocean to the south. And one neighboring country is also here, which is Sri Lanka. Got it everyone? In the Indian Ocean. Now move on next page. Okay. Now India is divided into smaller regions. इंडिया को डिवाइड किया गया है छोटे छोटे प्रांतों में. रीजन्स मीन्स प्रांत. द बिगर रीजन्स आर कॉल्ड द स्टेट एंड द स्मॉलर वंस आर कॉल्ड द यूनियन टेरिटरीज. State, you all know the state. How many states in India? 28 states are there and 9 union territories are there. Okay. So India is there because India is a very vast country. बहुत बड़ा देश है भारत. उसके बारे में स्टडी करने के लिए, रूल्स करने के लिए उसे रीजन्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया ताकि हर व्यक्ति को लॉ मिल सके. तो 20 स्टेट एंड 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज आर देयर. Now students, every state has many cities, towns and villages. Every state and union territories in India has a capital. We live in Rajasthan, which is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So every state and union territory in India has a capital. This is where the leaders of the state or union territory usually meet and discuss issues concerning the state union territories. You all know every state and union territory in India has a capital. Got it? This is where the leaders of the state, जहाँ पर capitals में we are study about the capital. This is where the leader of the state, जहाँ पर लीडर, पार्टी के लीडर जो विन होते हैं, जो जीत के आते हैं, वो वहाँ पर आते हैं. आपस में जो कोई इश्यूज होते हैं उन्हें वहाँ डिस्कस किया जाता है कैपिटल्स में. चाहे वो स्टेट कैपिटल हो, चाहे यूनियन टेरिटरीज हो, वहाँ पर वो बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ फिगर 3 shows the states, union territories and their capital. Students, always you will read the map north to south. It is very easy to read. So student, figure 3 show the state, union territories and their capitals. Capitals, union territories and states, all things are in our map. So read carefully. Move on. Next page. It is page number 20. This table shows the union territories and their capitals. 9 union territories: Andaman and Nicobar, capital Port Blair; Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh; Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa; Daman and Diu, Daman; Lakshadweep Island, Kavaratti; Pondicherry, Puducherry; National Capital Territory of Delhi, New Delhi; Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar; Ladakh, Leh. These are the union territories. Capital, you all know: Port Blair, Chandigarh, Silvassa, Daman, Kavaratti, Pondicherry, New Delhi, Srinagar, Leh. Student, each Indian state and union territory has its own unique features, such as the languages spoken, the clothes worn and the festival celebrated. It is our specialty. Which is a specialty of India? Each Indian state and union territory has its own unique features. हर स्टेट का, हर यूनियन टेरिटरीज का एक यूनिक फीचर है, एक अलग पहचान है. कैसे? हाउ? लैंग्वेज स्पोकन, हर जगह की लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट है. क्लॉथ्स, वियर करने का तरीका डिफरेंट है, क्लॉथ्स डिफरेंट है. फेस्टिवल, हम अलग अलग तरीके के फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं, लेकिन हमारा देश कौन सा है? वन, इंडिया. लेकिन हम सब क्या हैं? अलग हैं. कैसे अलग हैं? हमारी भाषा अलग है, हमारे क्लॉथ्स अलग हैं, हमारे फेस्टिवल डिफरेंट है, और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारी डिफरेंट है, लेकिन फिर भी हम एक हैं, बिकॉज वी ऑल इंडियंस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट द मैप इन फिगर 3. Here, look at the map in figure 3 and answer these questions. Okay? Page number 20. This is page number 20. Look at the map in figure 3 and answer these questions. Now, have you visited a state, union territories other than the one you live in? So, attempt this question. Have you visited a state, union territory other than one you live in? आप जहाँ रहते हैं उसके अलावा कहीं आपने विजिट किया है? किसी स्टेट में आप गए हो, किसी यूनियन टेरिटरीज में आप कहीं घूमने गए हो? तो इफ यस तो यस, आई हैव विजिटेड द स्टेट यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ, नेम राइट कर देना टिक करके, विच इज द स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी. नाउ इन सेकेंड, इफ नो तो नो बट आई वुड लाइक टू विजिट, लेकिन मैं यहाँ घूमना चाहता हूँ, तो राइट इट हियर योर चॉइस. अगर आप कहीं घूमना चाहते हैं किसी स्टेट में, किसी यूनियन टेरिटरीज में, तो राइट द नेम हियर. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज स्पेशल अबाउट दिस स्टेट यूनियन टेरिटरी? आप अगर कहीं घूमने गए हैं, आप कोई एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहते हैं, यू राइट इट हियर. अगर नहीं गए लेकिन कहीं घूमना चाहते हैं, तो आपको ये बताना है कि वहाँ की आपको चीज़ कौन सी पसंद है या कौन सी वहाँ की स्पेशलिटी है. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस टाइम वी ऑल स्टडीड अबाउट मैनी स्टेट वन कंट्री. एक देश बहुत सारे स्टेट. सो स्टूडेंट, how many states in India? 28 states and 9 union territories. So, thank you so much. We will meet in next.